So we had an exhaust leak on this TT. This is a follow-up video. I just want to let you know what happened to the TT after that. First thing first, let's start the car. And as you can hear, there's no more leak. The car runs fine. Let me just rev it quickly. So what really happened, I took it to the garage. The new exhausts were gonna cost me around £800–900 with the fitting and that. So what I ended up doing is getting a new Flexi pipe and just welded in between. So now the car runs fine, it's really smooth. Maybe in near future I will change the whole exhaust, but right now that was the most cost efficient method I thought, and then I just went for it.